In this particular video, we will be covering one SDLC model, which is the spiral model. Also, we will be covering another model, which is the evolutionary development model. So we'll begin with the spiral model. It is a combination of an iterative nature of prototyping and systematic approach of the traditional waterfall model. This model was defined by Barry Boehm in his 1988 article. Now we'll not move in the quadrants that we've drawn here, the graph that we've drawn, we'll not consider the typical mathematical ways for considering the quadrants. Like what we did was initially, this was quadrant 1, this was 2, this was 3, and this was 4. But now, this is how our spiral will move. So according to the spiral model and its convention, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. In the very first quadrant, we have planning involved. In the second quadrant, we have risk analysis and prototyping. In the third quadrant, we have engineering. And in the final quadrant, we have requirement analysis and planning of the next phases. So this is how it goes. Once we are through here, we again plan for the next phase. Once we are done with this, we again plan for the next phase. And this cycle goes on. This is the spiral model. It is a little unclear, but this is it. Now we'll look at the advantages and disadvantages of the spiral model. Advantages. Changing requirements can be accommodated, allows extensive use of prototypes, requirements can be captured more accurately, early and frequent feedback from users. Disadvantages. End of project is unknown, not suitable for small or low risk projects and could be expensive for small projects. Process is complex, spiral may go indefinitely, risk assessment and expertise is required. That was all for this video. Thank you so much. For any queries, comment below, and for more videos, subscribe to this channel.